If you want to be the boss, you'll have to make hard decisions quickly. When doing this, make your decisions quick. The maybes will cost you money. So don't get caught up in emotions with any hard decisions. Quit getting sucked in. Tell them no if you need to. You got to take care of you first. I know a lot of people who had a lot, right? Who had to let a lot of workers go at the beginning of the pandemic. Everyone around them says, how could you do that? They need money, they got families at home, etc., etc. And it's true, but if you want a business and you want to be a business owner, you got to be willing to make those hard decisions fast and do what you have to do. You can't be everything to everyone. So write this down. If you want to be the boss, make hard decisions fast. When things start getting tough, be disciplined. Keep hustling. Move with speed and certainty even if you look bad. None of wealth creation is a popularity contest. Creating wealth has nothing to do with popularity. I don't care how it looks. This is how to get your money right. So I want you to do this. I want you to get your pen and paper and make a list of everything you've been thinking about, everything you've been thinking about doing, all the maybes, and just decide yes or no. Make a whole list, yes or no, and just decide.